We're rolling! Hello my lovelies! Hello YouTube friends, pottery lovers! I come to you with a quick one. Big truck! Guess my timing's off. Just a quick one to show you the results of my stretching slip experiments. Just dive in right away, right? This is the one that's on the thumbnail of the video where I show you where I made this. I'll put a card at the end of the video so you can go there. Oh, the colors turned out beautiful. It did warp. And if you put it on the table, it's a bit wobbly. And I know why. Because before I decided what to make from the slab that I had left over, it was a little bit too dry, but you know, for an experiment I like it. And these two go with that slab that I made. I absolutely love this. I love the design. I love how it sort of kind of ends here, makes it a bit more abstract. And I make those little feet of the leftover pieces of that like it's only leftover pieces. Not true. So this one is not wobbly. Of course it has 3 feet, but they are also pretty flat and straight, so this sits good. This one does have a few, I'm not sure if you can tell, a few what are they? Are they pinholes? Yeah, sort of, kinda, where the slip isn't completely flat. The glaze is also not completely flat. So it has very, very tiny, well, bumps. But, you know, experiment very well. No, not the word. Success. Yeah, a success. Here's the little dish I made from that slab with that stretch slip. Also, one little, I will come close, but I don't know, right there. One little glaze thingy. It's not sharp. I guess it's just a little bit where the glaze was, the slip was thicker or thinner. Then I did another thing which I didn't show you. I got another idea and I totally jumped in right away, of course, as you know me, and I just didn't think about turning the camera on. That's this one. This is also, well, we can call it an olive tray, olive dish. And this is done a little bit different than the first one. I rolled out a thickish slab and I texturized it with this. Can you see the pattern in there? Maybe other way around. Yeah, that leaf pattern. This is yucky. I absolutely would never buy this for in my home, but this is a plastic placement. And this is the texture. And then while that slip was still wet, I wiped it away and then I stretched it. And you can tell this pattern now is stretched and bigger. Hold on, let me show you again. And bigger than that. I like it. And to be honest, wiping away slip on a wet slab with texture, it works. As long as the texture is deep enough, you can very carefully wipe away from the top, which then will show the white clay color again. So that worked. And then the one from my last experiment, of course, that cylindric shape that was going to be a tankard didn't make it, but this one did. Oh, I hope you can see the colors. It is, this one worked out so nice. I love the watercolory effect of the thinned out slip. Strong colors like red need a little bit more thinning out maybe next time. But yeah, I absolutely love it. I'll take a picture again to show you the colors a little bit better. This, yeah, this is, well, they're both techniques, or all 3 of them are keepers. I just love this neurographic design the best. Although it cracked on me because again it dried out too fast. I was thinking about the humidity here, and you know, we're on an island in the middle of the Caribbean Sea. You'd think it's always humid. I don't know if that is true. So I went to our garden center, asked for a, in Dutch they're called hygrometer, I don't know, the thing that measures the humidity. And they didn't even know what it was. So I'm still on the lookout because I'm curious. I want to hang one here and see what the humidity actually is. Okay, one more thing to show you. Oh, not that one. That's something completely different. From the little slabs, I rolled them thinner and I made some cute little earrings. Ta-da! Let me show you. I adore these ones with the cracked slip. I love that. And these are from the first experiment, and because of the turquoise in it with just a little bit of black, I like it. I like it a lot. And I guess that's it for now. This is a short one. I just, you know, was too excited about the results, so I thought I'd share with you. Over there you see some pots I have picked out. Going to have to take pictures, and so I'm working on uploading things for the coffee shop. If you don't know yet, I have created a coffee page. I have a little bit more information there. I have a service there. I have I'm going to put a shop up there. So if you're interested, the link is in the pinned comment. And yeah, it's Friday, so I'll say have a beautiful weekend. Get some clay under those fingernails, and I'll see you soon in the next video. Bye bye.